Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to another TPX Reviews. Today's review is a TPX gaming review, or unboxing, or whatever. So this is basically the Shadow of the Colossus Special Edition for PlayStation 4. I'm gonna call myself crazy for opening this. I already removed the plastic, so once you do that, there's no going back. This is going on eBay right now for like hundreds of dollars already, and the reason for that was because you had to pre-order it from very specific locations, Best Buy, GameStop. If you tried to pre-order this in the store at GameStop, good luck, because each store got about 1 to 3 to 4 copies. So essentially, you had to walk in on a random day. Shadow of the Colossus has been available to pre-order at the original, like the standard edition. You could pre-order it anytime. You could just walk into a GameStop and pre-order it from E3. A couple months later, they surprised everybody and threw out the special edition for pre-order. Somewhere around December, you could pre-order this. Nobody knew about it. If you walked in to GameStop and decided to pre-order Shadow of the Colossus that month, one of the employees would have said, "Hey, the special edition is available. Do you want that?" You say yes. Well, you'd have to be pretty lucky because only 1 to 2 people got offered the special edition before being turned off. So, you couldn't, that was it. So, 2 copies per store, and that was it. So once they were pre-ordered, they were switched off, and that was it. I actually had to get this online at GameStop.com. You had basically almost a half a year to pre-order it from their website. As of last night, they turned them off, and you can no longer, they're now out of stock. So, and this is release day. So, the same thing with Best Buy, out of stock. So, it's also going to go out of print. So enough babbling, let's jump into it. I'm gonna be a little careful. Every time I try to open these boxes from the top, I tend to bend the upper flap. But let's take a look at it. So here we are. It's got a cardboard exterior. And then here's the back. Explore forbidden lands on a quest to bring your love back to life. Conquer towering creatures. In this thing, you get a steelbook with a game disc, artist postcards, printed manuals, 2 custom themes, Colossi avatar set, world map, and Colossi stickers. You get an ancient bow, a cloak of fate, and a spotted steel aggro skin. Very cool, very cool. Blue Point Games. Alright, I'm gonna just kind of make sure I do this right. Hold on. Okay, that was nerve-wracking. Alright, no, don't worry. The unboxing is still on. Alright, so I was successful in getting the flap up. That's the hardest part without damaging the flap itself. So the rest of the unboxing is smooth sailing. It was a little bit of, I had to kind of dig in a little bit. Not easy to do. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to bend the flaps here. And then I'm going to just pull it out. And here we go. Put this beautifulness. There we go. Alright. So here we have a slip. Oops. Okay, we're just gonna push it down. No disrespect for such a beautiful collection here. Alright, so you got this slip cover, cardboard slip cover, and yep, it's cardboard. It's got a shiny film right here. It's very Very pretty, shiny squiggle. It's very hard to see, but this is shiny. And then you just slide the beautiful game out I have clean washed hands, so no grease on this beautiful thing. Here's the stickers. Very nice. We have ourselves the map, which I will unfold for you, because not everybody will do that for you. So if even one person does it, there you go. Out of frame, Shadow of the Colossus. Put that back. We have a downloadable code just for me that I will obviously not show. And we have a very printed manual, front and back, with 15 pages with stuff like this. Beautiful pictures. And we have one-sided cards. And I think that's it. And now for the meat and the fucking potatoes. This box art, this steel book is gorgeous. And there you are, folks. Let's open it up gently. Nothing inside but the disc with a very neat looking CD. I'm sure everybody gets that one. I'll spin that around for you just in case. I'm gonna have to get the disc out eventually. There we are. And here we are. It's a Colossus in the background out there. Yeah, so there you go. Wow. That disc is beautiful. Holy crap. I'm gonna go microfiber cloth it because there's no way that I'm gonna let that get any dirtier. This cardboard box I will keep very safe, but it really is gonna be, it's a hassle. Yeah, all this other stuff is beautiful, and I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that in there, so be safe. But the actual steelbook will be in that cardboard slider thing. So steelbooks are funny. They're a little difficult when it comes to constantly removing the discs out multiple times. It gets to be a little ridiculous. But yeah, So yeah, that's everything, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this lovely unboxing. Well, I mean, I don't know if the actual unboxing of it was lovely for you, but the actual contents are quite lovely. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a quick poster shot for you. Yeah, that disc. There we go. Yeah, that's gonna be it. So the disc is fine. I promise. I didn't snap it in, but it's resting. All right, that's going to do it. TPX Gaming / reviews with the Shadow of the Colossus Special Edition. Very special to my heart and to, I'm sure, many of you out there. It's a great game, really is, and this is just going to make it even greater. So go out there and play it. All this fancy stuff is great, but really the game is what you're going to really enjoy. So go get the standard edition. It's not worth hunting down all this great stuff. I mean, it's good, it's great stuff, but you're going to be paying a lot of money for it. So TPX Reviews, peace out.